Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba ka Sarkar Jala Conrad ke Sangma hakasngi baar ka arflai terik naila arajar arpuar. Ula Sakhi lang ya kasngi penkot jong Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam ka Seiñ Raij Mukhla ka bade Lehniam ka bakhaddu jong usnam arajar arpuar. Ka jing Lehniam kala sedang nadu ka por minstep da ka jing kinting knong hayung langdo ban la penbuat pat sa ka syo tendai haman lagi thliu yeng jong ki khun raj ringkat ka ngu ka dem. Hakano phai sngi langdo usangat ki maji usutia bat ki wahe na ki kur kele kendu lang hamadan slot masi bat lawara rushi jaka ya ki laitli ki rat balawara da umlang shor ka nenchnong bat ko washnong bat pinhiar shaina haswa ban pinhiar ki rat da pinhiar shwa ya laitli ki Behdeiñkhlam bala penyang hamadan ti khandau bat dim bala pinhiar lot ya ki Behdeiñkhlam da pinhiar saya ki laitli ki rong ringkat ka bom ka nakra bat ka shat ka kemen. Hadiah baladak ban pensat ikirat na bread pat yaki kum kadak ke jing penkut ya Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam. Nalor Menteri Rangba la Sakhi lang da MLA jang ke Jowai constituency ba Wailat Miki Shila Chief Executive Member jang ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council ba Thombor Shiwat Deputy Commissioner jang ke West Jaintia Hills ba Garot LSN Daits bat kiwe.
We have been able to celebrate in this manner because the last 2 years, because of the COVID challenges, we were not able to have the festival in this manner. And therefore today it gives me extreme pleasure and joy and happiness to be here amongst all of you, to be able to celebrate the Behdeiñkhlam festival, to be here to celebrate our culture, to celebrate the faith, and to celebrate the identity of the people of our state. As a government, we have always believed that we must always support and promote the culture, the heritage, and the identity of the people of our state. Through many programs and many schemes, in the past 4.5 years, we have been giving financial assistance in terms of running expenditure, as well as to improve the overall infrastructure for the celebration of these kind of festivals of the people of our state. Just this morning, I had been taken by the Seiñ Mukhla President and others to see the Yungblai that is right on top of this hillock, and they requested that financial assistance be given to renovate the place. And hence I'm happy to announce that along with the Honorable MLA Mawailat Mikishila, we will ensure that this place is renovated and necessary funds will be given to improve and to renovate this place of worship. At the same time, the Honorable MLA has also informed me that there has to be some investment in the infrastructure in this area also, including a tourism project that was done many years back but is lying unutilized. I want to assure him and the people of this area that all the necessary funds and projects that need to be taken up, either through the central scheme of Swadesh Darshan or through the state scheme, the support of the government will be there in order to renovate and improve the overall infrastructure, not just in this place, but in all the other places where such kind of infrastructure is required to ensure that such kind of celebration continues. I am happy to see that after the funds that were sanctioned for the Jawai Center and 6 crores has been given to improve the overall infrastructure there, I'm happy to see that the work is coming up fast. I have asked the Honorable Tourism Minister and the local MLA to organize one visit so that we can review the work of it and ensure that the quality and overall work comes out at the best standards that's possible. At the same time, there are many things that we have done for the place and for overall Jawai constituency under the leadership of Mawailat Mikishila, and I must thank him for all the initiative taken by him, and because of his leadership we have seen a huge change in the overall development of Jawai constituency, and I'm sure that in the future also and in the coming years also he will dedicate himself to ensure that not just Jawai constituency but the entire Jente Hills district moves forward and moves towards development. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you on this Behdeiñkhlam festival, a festival where we celebrate to ensure that we drive out all the evils and plagues that are there in our society. And I was very happy to hear the youth, the Seiñ Samla, who mentioned about how they have taken up this agenda and issue of saying no to drugs. I encourage all the other youth groups and the Seiñ Samlas to ensure that they adopt this so that we have a brighter future for our youth. Once again, wishing, congratulating and thanking the Seiñ Mukhla and the entire organizing committee, and most importantly our local MLA Mawailat Mikishila for having invited me here to this very beautiful celebration of our identity, of our culture and of our people. With these few words, once again I thank you all. Kublai Shipun, Matela, and thank you.
Showing your concern, and just today also we have shared news that our Conrad, they are in the need renovation, and you have promised that you will help on that side. Thank you so much, sir. So I'll request, let's give a round of applause for Honorable Chief Minister, sir. And also, sir, I would like to say the people, let's go, I'm coming here and maybe it's wrong, but I'm coming here by now. They need to say that every day.
A joyful festival, a colorful festival, and a resounding success.
Hachwao only one pijar like yung kisempi. E kublai Behdeiñkhlam yang oi pil suchisin. Kublai Behdeiñkhlam. E wo blai Conrad wo lang ma de suker de ri. Ui pi hei wan hei lai yong pi hei ki hei kan yong pi hei pure puti yong pi.